Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to be here. Welcome to my channel. I'm very excited. My name is Ibiye Iwari, but for this channel I'll be called Ibiye Iwari because I'm normally called IB or Ibiye, so I chose the name Ibiye Iwari. And you're most welcome to my channel. I'm so excited. I've been procrastinating starting a YouTube channel for as long as I can remember because I love YouTube and YouTube has helped me a lot. So I don't know, it's high time I come here and show you guys what I got. So this channel will be about personal development, self-development. It will be about blogs, lifestyle, hair tutorials, and anything interesting that I can talk about. So I'm very excited and I would like you guys to follow me on this journey to creating content, interesting content for you guys. And do well to like, share with your family and friends if you find this video helpful, and thumbs up the video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and I'll be displaying my all my social media platforms. So you see it on the screen. So do well to follow me and let's be friends. Thank you for watching my channel. Bye.